Currently, OSI Go Direct's 24/7 professional monitoring service is only available in Canada. Now, welcome to Step 3 of setting up your OSI Smart Alarm System Gen 2 4G. At this stage, it's time to finalize your system's configuration to ensure optimal security. But don't worry, all this means is filling out a quick form, which only takes a few minutes. By now, you've received a subscription email with a link to the subscriber information form, a crucial step in completing your setup. This form allows you to enter key details such as installation address, authorized individuals, zone mapping, which I'll explain to you later, and notifications. Providing accurate information ensures that your alarm system functions properly and is mapped for effective monitoring. If you can't find the email, don't worry, you can access the form by visiting osigodirect.com, hovering over Security for Home, and selecting Subscriber Information Form. In this tutorial, I'll walk through each section of the form explaining how to enter your details correctly so your alarm system is set up seamlessly. Let's get started. On the subscriber information form, there are 4 sections: installation address, authorized individuals, zone mapping, and notifications. I'll walk you through each section step by step, ensuring you understand how to complete the form accurately. Installation address. The installation address refers to the physical location where the alarm system is installed and actively monitored. It's important for ensuring accurate service and response. Authorized individuals. Authorized individuals are people who choose to manage alarm-related concerns, like handling emergency calls or receiving notifications. You do not need to fill out all 5 users. Just include as many as you'd like, up to 5. Your password helps verify your identity when you or an authorized person communicates with the alarm monitoring team. Zone mapping. Zone mapping helps optimize your alarm system by creating a clear layout of your property. Each zone corresponds to a specific area where a sensor is installed, such as a front door, living room, or basement window, allowing the monitoring team to quickly identify where an alarm is triggered. You can find the zone mapping information directly from your OSI Smart Alarm System Gen 2 panel. On your alarm panel, tap the connection icon in the top right corner and enter your passcode. Under the accessory heading, select Sensor. You'll now see a list of all connected sensors displayed on the screen. Let's take a closer look at the first sensor listed on the alarm panel. For the first entry, we have Zone 1. The zone number is located on the left side. Here, it's Zone 1. The next field is Sensor Type. To determine the sensor type, note the picture displayed here. It shows an entry sensor. You can also click on the sensor, and on the top, you'll see its name, Entry Sensor. So now that we've confirmed that the sensor type is an entry sensor, let's go back to the form and select Entry Sensor on the drop-down menu. Select the back button in the top right corner to return to the sensor screen. The final field is Description. The description represents the sensor's location. Here we see the description is labeled Front Door, so we'll enter Front Door under Description. The description is very important because when an alarm is triggered, your SMS or email notification will display the exact description entered. For example, if someone enters through the front door, the alert will indicate Alarm Zone 1, Front Door. This is why it's very important to name your sensors as clearly as possible. If you want to update the description, either to rename it or to update a sensor's new location, tap on the sensor from the list. Select the name field. Enter your preferred description, back window for example. Press OK to save. Now you can see the description has been changed. Make sure to complete the zone mapping section for all listed zones in your system to ensure proper monitoring. Notifications. This section tells the monitoring station how you'd like to be notified. In the event of an alarm, the monitoring station will always contact you by phone. Additionally, you have the option to receive notifications via SMS or email for added convenience. You can choose both SMS and email notifications, or just one. If you choose email notification, please enter the email address or addresses where you'd like the notifications to be sent. If you choose SMS notification, please enter the phone number or phone numbers where you'd like notifications to be sent. Please also indicate when you would like to receive notifications. You can select one of the following options. Alarm only, which means receive notifications only when the alarm is triggered. Arm, disarm only, which means receive notifications when the system is armed or disarmed. Or all of the above, meaning that you'll receive notifications for all of the above events. That's it. Once you complete the form, print a copy for your records, then submit the form. After submission, we'll review your form and reach out if we have any questions. For more information, please check the description of this video for helpful links. And don't forget to watch the next video step titled Step 4 will send you a SIM card in our How to Opt In for Professional Monitoring series.